Matay yung ilaw for a minute. Tapos bumalik ulit. Kain muna tayo habang may kuryente pa. Hello, boys. Wala yung ulan for maybe 4 hours. It went back and then tumahimik ulit siya. Luckily, hindi na namamatay yung kuryente. It's 3 a.m. and sobrang tahimik. Like eerie, quiet. So I am thinking, ito ba yung mata ng bagyo o wala na ba talaga siya? You have the cable for the internet na pwedeng i-connect sa power Type A to Type C, mini USB, the PLDT, home Wi-Fi. I just got my about 4,000 steps. The rain has stopped. Check natin yung damage sa baba. So yeah, dami na ng tulo. And madami tayong ipaparepair. Okay. Tara! I already asked my friend, this one, yung repair would cost around 100,000. So hopefully, we'll have that fixed soon. Taral ako mga ano, para hindi pumasok. The family is safe. We have roof over our heads. We can fully function. And that's what's more important. Now back to regular programming.